I love watches in general, from digital Casio to the high-end complicated ones. The love for mechanical watches comes from their complexity. The idea that so many small gears, springs, and levers are working together in such harmony to tell something as simple as time passing always fascinated me. There are brands, however, that turn the complexity to a whole new level. MB&F, Urwerk, and Harry Winston make some of the craziest watches known to man, creating true micro-machines. But the low volume and high complexity makes these unattainable for almost everyone but the richest in the world. Just like the tourbillon was unattainable for regular people until Chinese joined the game, it was only a matter of time until the Chinese tried to replicate the above-mentioned mechanical marvels and bring them closer to us, regular people. So far, these have been pretty simple attempts using discs and different dial layouts to give the illusion of a more complex time-telling. This, however, the new Atowak Cobra, takes it a step further, truly mimicking the time display of the Urwerk 220. With a three-pointed base that has been geared to display 60 minutes in 120 degrees instead of the regular 360 or full circle, and four-sided pyramids rotating vertically to display the hours, they created a watch that is truly a conversation starter and one that gives you the looks of the very expensive Urwerk for only a fraction of the price. At just under $2,000 or $1,500 if you signed up early, this is not a cheap watch by any means, but compared to an Urwerk, it is a bargain. While they made the display system simpler by adding a pin that the pyramid hours catch and turn, it still required some clever engineering. Watch movements are very efficient in using the power from the mainspring to power all the gears and levers. And even the smallest imperfection or additional mass the mainspring needs to overcome reduces the efficiency, costing you power reserve, which is why adding such a large and complex complication instead of regular hands would take too much power unless you made it as light as possible. This is why the whole base and all the components on it are a combination of aluminium and carbon fiber. It really shows they were trying to minimize the efficiency cost this additional complication would cause. The case is large, as you would expect, but not comically large. Under 44mm side to side and under 50 top to bottom. It is only weird to wear due to the shape and thickness, which is over 20mm. If they made this thinner, it would have been as wearable as any regular watch. Like this, I think short sleeves are a must, as this will hardly slide under a cuff. The hands, if we can call them that, and the markers are all loomed, and the loom is excellent to be honest, but due to the way the watch operates, it is not legible all night, as the hour that gets to you during night would spend time turned in a way that it doesn't get enough light to properly charge. A small nuisance, but one I had to mention. As a talking piece, it is perfect. As a wristwatch, other than the weird wearability, it is actually really well made. The movement used is a Miota 9039, a premium non-date movement that beats at 28,800 bph and comes with both hacking and hand winding. The case is well finished, with many facets and a combination of polished and brushed surfaces, and the dial and the complex base are all really well finished with no visible scratches or foreign material. The watch comes with both a stainless steel bracelet and a very thick leather strap. They're easily interchangeable due to a brilliant and original quick-release system that requires no tools. I personally prefer it on leather, even though it does take some breaking in to make it shape to your wrist. The bracelet makes the whole package just a tad too heavy for my taste. At $2,000, like I said, it is not a cheap watch by any means. But the fact it is only a fraction of the price of the real deal from Urwerk, and the fact you get mesmerized and amazed every time you check out the time, I think it is acceptable. On my channel, I always give praise to brands that try to do things their own way, even when I don't like the watch, as making something original rather than copy something successful requires effort and is always a risk, so they deserve a recognition for that. Atowak, with both their Ettore line and this Cobra line, take the originality and quirkiness to the next level. They may have copied Urwerk in the design, but the courage to even take a chance at replicating such a complex way of telling the time really deserves a praise. And to be honest, I can't wait to see what they do next. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.